In the name of God, hello friends, how are you? I am Vali from of Neshki channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. In this video, we are speaking about the north of Tehran and markets and historical of Tehran. Let's go see the video.
Hello friends, how are you? I'm Zohra. We're here with a new video about of Tehran. In this video, I speak about North Park of Tehran, Water and Fire Park. Water and Fire Park on Haqqani Highway is an exciting place for children and adults. The most attractive part of this park is the water playground next to the fire tower, full of children and families screaming and cheering. Don't forget extra clothes and shoes for the kids. But the story doesn't end here. There is a riding area, lighthouse, pavilions, and green space. And there is a moving and curtain reading. While passing through, the nature bridge is a most experience. On the beautiful Qaitariya Street above Neo-Virulent intersection, the old Millet Park stands out. Millet Park still competes with Tehran's new parks with its attractive green space and animal cages. Iranian Garden. One of the most attractive and beautiful gardens in Tehran is Bagh Irani, which is located on North Sheikh Bahai Street. Bostan Bagh Irani is the reconstructed version of the old garden with a nostalgic atmosphere. You can also try to garden restaurants. Qaitariya Park. Qaitariya Park on Qaitariya Street is a pleasant place to enjoy the tree-filled and clean atmosphere of the park. Park Neo-Virulent. Neo-Virulent Park is located in the area of Neo-Virulent Square or Bahman, which is a good choice for recreation and sightseeing with its beautiful design and beautiful atmosphere. Sai Park. Engineer Karim Sai was the person who planned trees in the 12-hectare Sai Park. Bostan Sai, located on Qaitariya Street, was handed over to Tehran municipality after the death of Engineer Sai in 1934. The wildlife section of the park is interesting for both children and adults. Kojaro suggests to visit Shahr Kitab Sai's branch, which is located near Sai's Park on Qaitariya Street.